today we're going to be talking about how to make $1,280 per day with AI generated videos. I'm going to show you how you can get started with this as a beginner, and I'm going to break down how you can do this very easily by promoting a $1 trial to a tool that actually generates video content for you that you can sell. So let me actually explain this in a step-by-step way, and then you can decide whether or not you want to actually go and get started with this. But ideally what we're going to do is we're going to be using a tool called ShineRanker that will go and actually generate videos on autopilot that we can then upload to places like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you name it. Okay, so these are a few AI generated videos I've made over the last few days. This one was AI generated. This was with a cloned version of my voice. You can see it has 34,000 views, 11,000 views on this video. And the way that you actually make these is very simple when you see this system. Now, look at this. On Stripe, yesterday I made $2,480. I have about $21,000 about to get deposited into my bank account and about $53,000 expected. Actually looks like today. So lots of money coming in. And I'm going to show you how you can get started. You're not going to make thousands of dollars overnight. If you're using this, it does take a little bit of time just to compound. The commissions you'll probably be making, you're going to want to probably start promoting other people's tools like this dollar trial I'm going to show you. But check this out. This is a dollar trial we're promoting on this video tool, and we have 44 people on the dollar trial. If you look at the breakdown on that, that's about 44 times 97 a month. That's how much the tool costs, 4,268. And if you're promoting the tool as an affiliate, you'll actually get a 30% commission, which is about $1,280 that you'd be getting reoccurring. Okay. Now remember, this is not going to happen right away. You probably need to start building some traffic, start building up a following, and then you can start making money. But you'd be surprised how fast this will actually compound. Okay. So let's start out by talking about what you want to do to begin. Now, what I would recommend is head over to ShineRanker. You're going to go click on Get Started. You're going to grab the tool, or you're going to grab a free strategy call. If you want to get on the phone with one of our team members, we'll actually walk you through how to use this. But you get into the tool, and the tool is going to look like this. Okay. So first of all, this is the tool that we're using to automate our video content. If I click on Video Tools here, I can actually go to the first part of the tool, which is the scraper. And what the scraper does is it allows you to type in a topic that you want to find websites for. Now, if I don't know what topic I want to create content for, I can go to the viral topic finder, type in something like AI, and I'll get a list of all the most searched things people are looking for around that topic. Okay. So this will work in any industry. It doesn't have to be AI. It could be real estate, could be anything, Airbnb, I don't know, whatever you want. Okay. So I'm going to take one of these topics like ChatGPT or AI chatbot, copy it, and then I can throw this into the scraper tool. Okay. Now what's going to happen is when I start scraping content, what's going to happen is I'm going to get this list of all these different websites. And the cool thing about this list is it's all summarized with ChatGPT. So what we're doing is we're having ChatGPT grab all these websites. It's reading what's on the website and then it's summarizing in a sentence what this website's about. So I can download this file, go to the next tool, which is the video generator tool, and I can actually go and upload this list into the video generator tool. Okay. Now, once I upload the list, what I can do is I can choose either my own voice if I want to clone my own voice, or I can choose somebody else's voice, like a pre-made voice. We'll choose Adam's. I can choose how many videos I want to generate at a time. We'll do 5. I'll click on generate, and then this will give me 5 videos. Okay. Now, in the case of the last video I posted on Instagram, I actually did a little bit of editing to the video. It's not necessary. You could just post the videos how they are, but I actually did a little bit more for this. I actually cloned a picture, an AI generated picture of me to go and do the talking in the front part of the video. This will actually be a feature inside of ShineRanker very soon. So you won't actually have to go and plug this into an editing tool. This will just do this automatically. But let me just show you kind of what this looks like. So it just does a top 5 list, and then all these people that want to learn more about this, they can go and check out our link. Okay. So let me just show you what the renders look like just straight through the tool right now. I'll just click on, let's say this one.
AI tool that simplifies UI design.
I just realized the audio was off. Now you can hear it.
On uxplanet.org. The second website is Google Cloud. Uncover how AI...
So again, what we're doing is we're just pulling a list of websites. We're having our tool go and read off the list. It's then taking videos of the websites, turning it into like a top 5 websites video. And the reason why we're doing this is because these types of videos get an insane amount of views. If I go look up like top 5 websites on anywhere, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you'll see they get millions and millions of views. But we're able to automate all these videos. Look, this one got 20 million views. And we're able to automate these types of videos in a click of a button. Okay, and this is just the beginning because ShineRanker is about to get even crazier as we add more and more of the features that we're adding into this. Okay. So either way, you would either upload these videos individually to your accounts, or you would just go and click on download. Okay. Now, when you download the CSV, you can actually pair this with another tool called Radar that will actually go and allow you to import these videos into the actual tool. So if I go into here, sign in, I can click on import, and then I can import all of this content into Radar. Okay. Like this. Boom. Now this is up to you though, right? Like you can choose how far you want to automate this. If you want to go and then publish this on a bunch of different social media channels, you can, but you can see how automated this is. And we're getting like thousands and thousands of views, not just on Instagram, but on, Facebook and wherever we post these videos. It's actually crazy how easy it is to get views with this. Now, what you're doing is when you start getting views with these AI generated videos is you're going to send people to a $1 trial, right? So inside of ShineRanker, we have, again, this landing page here where people can go enter their information and then they get set up with our $1 trial. Now, you're probably already on this page if I sent you an email or if I sent you like a comment on social media, or my bot probably did. It probably wasn't me, but you're probably going to be watching this video, the one you're watching right now, right here. And then below this video is a get ShineRanker for just $1. So when you click on that, right, this is going to be the same thing that you can actually sell to other people. So if you want to be able to allow people to be able to generate their own content, right, you can get them to sign up for this $1 trial. Anytime they sign up for the $1 trial, it's a 14-day trial. When the monthly payment hits 97, you're getting 30% commissions on that every single time they pay. Okay. And this isn't just something that works on my tool. This will work on any tool, right? If you go over to, I'm going to show you one of these tools that I used to promote. This one's called Jasper. I get paid out every single month, 30%, just because I went and promoted links for them and did content on their tool. Look, they owe me $1,000. If I look at my payouts here, I've been getting paid out every single month for like years now. Okay. And we're offering the same thing inside ShineRanker, where if you want to go and use the AI content that it's creating to go and sell, it's like you can use this tool to sell its own features, right? And what's even cooler about this is we even have an automated system as well, where when somebody enters their info, we're going to go and try to follow up with them and sell them on this tool. Okay. Now, as far as getting this whole system set up, again, you can book a free strategy call with us, but the only problem with this is that we're booked till next month. So you will have to wait till next month if you want to get on a strategy call. But if you just want to go grab the setup, you can go to the DFY setup, click on get DFY content, and we'll actually go and set up our system for you. We'll do all your content. We'll import all of our content into your account. You can even use my content, the shorts that I create, in your own content, but you collect the leads. We'll set up your funnel. So we'll set up all your automations. We'll set up your landing page. We'll even set up a virtual assistant to help you if you want help. But again, this is optional. If you wanted to just go and get the trial for ShineRanker, the $1 trial, and you just wanted to use this tool and just send people to your link, all you'd have to do is take the link from ShineRanker. This is the $1 trial link here. You'd go to /partner at the end of this link, and it's going to ask you to sign up as an affiliate partner. And then all you have to do is get people to click on your link. So you click on sign up or log in if you already have a ThriveCard account. Go like that. Let's go ahead and just make a random affiliate ID. We'll do a different email here. And just like that, you'll get a link here's the product, ShineRanker dollar trial. And once you connect your PayPal account, it's just going to say, connect your PayPal account. You'll get your affiliate link. You copy that link, and then you can start automating your content, and you could just start sending people to that link, right? So you could put that link in your bio right here, do a bunch of automated content, tell people to go to the link in your bio. Every time they sign up for the ShineRanker VIP dollar trial to go start generating content, you're going to get paid whenever they sign up, okay? So pretty cool. And you can see how fast this would stack. We only got 800 visits to our actual trial landing page, but we got 44 orders. That's a 5% conversion rate, which means for 800 views, right? You'd only have to send 800 views to a landing page to get 44 orders. That is 44 times 97. If they all turn into the monthly memberships, that's $4,000 right there. Okay. And just to put things in perspective, each one of our AI generated videos gets anywhere between 5 to 10, 30,000 views. And you could even boost these videos if you want. You could run ads. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. So anyways, definitely check it out. If you want, if you're not sure, you can always head over to our free Discord group. I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to join our Discord. Ask questions in here. I try to go live constantly. If you want to watch my live trainings, get more information, and you're confused about how this works, always click on the live tab on my channel and just go through these different videos and watch what I'm doing in real time. And you can kind of see what I do behind the scenes. So that's it. Hope you enjoy the new features inside ShineRanker.